All out and build shelves and stuff. And notch that out so it goes up there where I can step on it. Big job putting that dude on there.
That orange smells good. I can smell it, the aroma of it.
It's fixing to taste good too.
That mandarin, I can smell the aroma of it.
Some of them are old though, seeded already. It's that time of year where they start getting old. See what Finest built for me. Built these two C channels to lift it up so it's not on the APU. And then there's a 1/2-inch plate underneath that draws up and to pinch it in. And then you got this 1/2-inch plate up here to strengthen up because it would just pull through the aluminum. So I'll strengthen that up. And then all the strength has to be back here. So you don't have to worry about that up there so much. But it's bolted down really good too. So I just have to drill one more hole over there and put in a bolt. That'll all be done. Then I want to build a plate. I want to get some of this. This stuff's fairly cheap. Get some of this and lay it down in there. We were talking about moving those back up here and setting them on this plate going across here. So I'll have to investigate on some plate, diamond plate.
All right, so you updated me this morning on the phone. So why don't you tell our viewers that I guess you're going to have 3 weeks to work on this because
the chicken didn't pan out. So
well, okay, so what does that mean? The chicken didn't pan out. What does that mean? There's not enough chicken loads to go around, or?
Oh, the chicken eaters there is in this world. There's plenty of chicken to go around, but it ain't worth hauling. You want to haul it for nothing. So anyway, the boats will be fired up in about 3 weeks.
So are you telling our viewers, you've already told me, but are you telling our viewers that you're going to be...
Unless something pops up.
You're going to be around for 3 weeks here at the house. So so then are the tires on hold then? You're not going to get the tires?
As long as I'm hauling boats, these tires will hold up. Because it's a light load and 50% of it's deadhead. And besides that, 3 weeks of being off, there's no money coming in. So there's no reason to worry about the tires. They're good. They'll make it through the summer as long as I'm not trying to haul 48,000 pounds. But they would never withstand 48,000 pounds because they're weathered, they're old, and they're recaps.
All right, so the tires will stay on for a little bit longer through the summer. While you're still hauling boats, the tires will still stay on. And then we can save up enough money to get some tires before winter, correct?
Yeah, I'll have to have new tires before winter.
Before winter. Okay.
I generally get tires before. If I need tires, I generally get them before winter because you want to have some good traction when you're dealing with ice and snow. These are still pretty decent as far as tread wise, but getting them right before winter would be a good idea. As long as I'm hauling boats. So anyway, when I finish this up, I got to take all that gear out of there and put shelves in. All my chains on the sides and shelves all down the middle. So, I mean, it's filled up this freaking high. If I was opening doors, it'd just all fall out.
Oh, that's not good. Well, I want to brag on Steven. This morning he beat me to the punchline. Stephen, what did you say to me this morning on the phone?
I can see gnats already trying to fly in the truck.
Today is June the 29th, and what do we do on the 29th of every month? Today is our wedding anniversary on August the 29th. And on the 29th of every month, we always say happy anniversary.
That's a Ritty thing. See?
It being June 29th, Stephen said to me, happy anniversary. And so we've been married 21 years and 10 months.
I might get a chance to see why this thing fouled the plug. I have a feeling what happened was when I put the valve covers on it, gaskets, it's got them O's, gaskets, I bet you one of them got pinched and oil's getting down on the spark plug, so maybe I'll have time to look at it. It looks like it's got mold growing on it again.
Well, you'll have plenty of time to do different things, I guess.
No, it ain't plenty of time. Believe me, 3 weeks go by before I even knew what happened.
Well, okay, I understand that. All right. Well, anyway, welcome home. At least you'll be home on your birthday. Stephen's birthday is July 14th. So,
I'll be 14.
all right.
Have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun wherever you are. God bless. Don't forget that ding, ding, ding. Later.